Okay, this is the SQL practice website. It's quite useful. It's a bit basic and janky, but it's basically an SQL terminal. There are two databases to work through, Northwind and Hospital. If you want to run whatever's in here, this is the SQL terminal window if you like. Just hit run and it will run the whole thing. You saw that if I actually just select part of my statement, I can run that as well, and the results will be put at the bottom here. It's as simple as that. So what are you actually being asked to do? There's a set of questions. You can filter the questions by database, or by their style, or by their difficulty. Hello, where have I gone? You just have to click off. It's things like that, a little bit janky. You just have to click off. You can lose the left and right menus if you want to give yourself a little bit more screen room. If you just want to see the databases, you can view the schemas. So this is the hospital database. It's much simpler than Northwind. As you can see, we're just going to use the hospital one to start with. And if you actually click on it, you can see what the different attributes are within the database. Sorry, I didn't do that. Right. There is some like help, but it's pretty basic. But it's quite useful for just trying a little bit of syntax if you can't remember exactly where something's going wrong, or if you forget the semicolon. But crucially, this matches really closely the syntax for AQA for their SQL. Right, so what do you actually have to do? If you just hit start, it will give you the first question. So it says, so I'm going to do this one with you, and then you can do the rest of it. Show first name, last name, and gender of patients whose gender is male. So, I can't remember what the first name is. Well, thankfully, because I selected start, I can actually see the attributes there, so I can see its first name. Click on the blinking thing. First name, comma, last name, comma, gender. So you can see there's a bit of an autocomplete there, which is quite nice. Where gender equals male. Don't forget the semicolon at the end. Run it. Bish bash bosh. Should work. If you've got it correct, it will say it's correct. If you get it wrong, of course I've already got it right. Okay, and it gives you the solution then. The nice thing is now when I view all the questions, it will say it's completed, which is handy. What I want you guys to do is to complete all of the easy and medium ones. Once you get into it, it doesn't take that long.